And you want to spray your loaf pan.
If you like our channel, please like and subscribe to help us grow.
You could also butter it. I just want to take the easy way today, so I'm just spraying it. Get that ready. Alright, so we're just mashing up our bananas here for our banana bread. Blend our butter, our brown sugar, get that nice and creamy. I'm gonna just break up this little clump here a little bit better. Here we go. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my eggs. So I've gone ahead and pre-cracked these eggs into a bowl because I'm using farm fresh eggs, so I do like to just crack them off into a bowl first, just because you never know. So for anybody that's been watching our channel at all, those eggs that we blended in here, if you remember, we did a short here a few weeks ago where we'd gone on a road trip and brought back some farm fresh eggs. So that's where these eggs came from. They came all the way from Northern California. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and add in my banana mixture. Blend that up. We don't want to over blend it, just a little bit. Just enough to mix it together. That's probably about good. Then we're going to chop up some walnuts. This is completely optional. Sometimes we put the nuts in, sometimes we don't. Just depends on how we're feeling that day, who we're making them for. Some people have nut allergies. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and add in our flour. This flour also has the baking soda and salt in it, don't forget. Get it mixed nice. All right, so now that that's pretty well mixed, I'm gonna go ahead and put in these walnuts. Get them folded in nice. And then our chocolate chips. That might be enough. Let's go with a little bit more. I like mine pretty chocolatey, so we'll go ahead and do that. All right, that's looking pretty good. So now, let's get that out of the way. We're gonna go ahead and pour it into our oiled bread pan here. And that's why I kept the spatula out, just kind of scrape the sides better. All right, that's good enough. I'm gonna give it a nice little swirl, kind of even it out a little. Get our corners good. All right, that looks pretty good. And then we're gonna go ahead and just bring it on over, pop it into our preheated oven, set at 350 degrees. And we're gonna cook that for about an hour.